Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use mauto. First, let's learn how to use the click feature. Let's try clicking the Gemini app. First, take a screenshot of your phone screen. Then, crop the area you want to click. Name the file Gemini and put it in the images folder. Alright? Important, only PNG files work. So if your file is a JPG, please change it to PNG. Okay, now select click and then click the execute actions button. Dot. See, now you can see that the Gemini app is open. Next, let's try the repeat feature. First, select repeat start and add the actions you want to repeat. Next, select repeat end and enter the number of times you want to repeat. Let's put 3. Click execute actions again. So that's a basic look at how mauto works. Thank you.